So this is our... Look at the squirrel! This is our little trip.
Carrying around to the right.
This is a little trip down to the lake. Or river, whatever that is. I'm so tired and my feet hurt. Oh my god. Hold on. This is on Facebook. I hope you know that.
Okay.
So yeah, guys, this is what we gotta do for our biology class. Gay in it. Oh, you guys look at my picture. I think that shit's sexy. Yeah. Manoli, let me see your picture.
Yo, this is the sexiest thing ever.
Hell yeah. Alex. Say hi. Too late. Alex, describe what we're doing.
What?
Describe what we're doing. Tell Facebook what we're doing.
We're being wildly homosexual. That's what we're doing.
Guys, keep on reading.
Look at that couple.
Ay, qué lindo.
Thank you.
Guys, describe what we're doing.
We're
looking around in nature.
middle of the school day. We're on a nature walk.
My heels are getting ruined.
Skipping. About to go swimming. In the Merrimack River, yo.
Yeah.
Yo. Yeah, it's extreme. We're all gonna die.
Here. That you haven't seen on the
Oh,
class yet. And remember, you want to be taking notes, okay? So you want to be listing the biotic and abiotic factors and content of each. Make sure you draw a picture of it. Okay, we'll give you about 5 minutes down here, okay? You cannot go into the water or near the edge.
Yeah, we're gonna get close to the water.
Yeah,
Let's go that way.
There's a picture there.
Oh, this is the ill walk. Jasmine, how are you feeling?
Bad. Are you recording this?
Yes. I've been recording you guys.
Oh my goodness.
That's nice. So here we have a big ass river, deadly, fast turns, currents. I mean, sorry.
Wow.
Look at it. Look at those things. I say we steal one and
I
like.
want one.
Miss Stubby, can we grab one of those and go canoeing? Grab one of those? I will. I'll do it by myself. Go. Wait, I don't know how to...
Oh my god, look at that. That looks nice.
Oh shit, I don't know, I'm better now.
Hi guys.
Facebooking?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Pilot.
there's a highway over there.
So, Jenna, so talk to Facebook about this little trip that we have taken.
This trip sucked, but you know what? It was good because I'd rather be doing this than doing that.
Lizette, how do you feel after this walk?
This trip sucked. This was fucking bugs around.
How do you feel about this trip?
Awesome. We're not doing work.
You guys gotta learn to appreciate nature.
We appreciate nature. This is just...
It clearly does that. It clearly does. It's a beautiful walk. Okay, you have fun.
This is a beautiful
Look at this. Look at this view.
This too is a
Look at this view. I want to go steal that boat.
Let's go.
Let's go. Just chill the car.
I'm gonna go see the Asian. Yeah. Asian! What are you doing? I'm about to go sit next to you. Fuck! The lead went inside of my finger. Hold it, baby.
Is this still recording?
Yeah. Ah, look at this! The fucking pencil stabbed me.
This map sucks.
It does. Okay, now it's your time to record. So, we're like this close
My
to
phone
the
turned
fucking
off.
water. We're like this close to the water.
Oh, okay. That's Rue calling me a fucking liar. That's awesome. The water is awesome, yo. I want to swim in it. What the hell is that? Is that a freaking... Don't say that.
Imagine some hobo just comes out of nowhere.
You should like take the phone back so I can like draw the river.
Hold on. Let me draw the river.
Steven, I thought you were talking to yourself.
I'm not gonna sit on there. Why? Stay over there.
Is it on my lap?
Okay. Excuse me.
Kidding.
Oh shit.
Oh my god.
Oh shit. Where's my pencil? So it's been 5 minutes of me recording this bullshit.
Still recording that class?
How bored she was. She was recording.
I gotta pee.
My butt crack is like showing. Shit. Oh well.
Nature likes it.
I think we could seriously steal one of those and go canoeing. Hi, sister. Describe your little walk. Did you like it?
That's a video?
Yes.
Pretty awesome.
Did you like it?
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah.
Treat me like that. I'll punch you.
Mother and father, and they created Angela.
Very bizarre.
Okay.
I don't know how she came out, Dominican, but it's all good.
Awesome.
Why?
I want to sit on the floor. Look at her ass.
Wasn't he in your way?
Huh? You have you have a hair. Hold on.
Oh!
Okay.
Is it still dirty?
No, yes, it's not dirty no more. Hi, Dennis. Describe your walk of nature.
My what?
Describe your walk to the nature.
Fun. I went to the woods. No one could find me because I was.
You camouflage.
Yeah, what? See, where'd I go?
Oh, damn, where did he go? Oh, damn, where's Dennis?
I'm back.
So you enjoyed it? You liked it a lot?
I always like to go outside and bug swim.
Are you trying to catch a bug with your hat?
Yes.
Why?
You're not gonna be there.
So talk about the Osama bin Laden thing.
That was awesome.
It was awesome.
Yeah, I killed him.
You
I wish I killed him.
I thought it was me.
It was you two.
Okay.
Even you can't.
Okay.
Asian.
You got it.
Are you filming this?
Yes.
Sweet.
Right.
Let's go.
So apparently we gotta hold this tonight. Hold this. And get up.
So Dennis.
Huh?
No, I said hold this, Justini, and then I said hold this, Dennis.
He grabbed it.
Yeah.
Hey, look at the footprint.
That's a really big footprint.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Giant duck.
Hell yeah. Can we get like on those?
Look at, yeah.
We could?
Yeah. Not. It's a school thing though.
Really? That's
I
awesome.
think for the whole time.
Look at that blue ass rock. I wonder who painted that rock. Okay, a walk of nature. We're going back.
Who's over the Thunder Man? You ever see that?
No.
That's scary.
Really?
Yeah. You look on YouTube, type in Thunder Man. Crazy. It's like this faceless guy with with long arms and legs. He hides in those woods. If you see him like 3 times, they're like something about him. He'll be gone. You gotta pick up a rock. Oh, hey! Irving! Irving! This is Thunder Man!
Yo, you're supposed to pick up the rock.
Pick up a rock?
My feet are hurting, guys. Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna do the video here, and I'm gonna start in the